Good day everyone. For today, we will be talking all about Region 7. So Region 7 or the Central Visayas region is the second smallest region in the Philippines with a total land area of 14,923 square kilometers. Central Visayas is one of the 8 anchor tourist destinations in the country, and it is also among the most developed and the 4th largest regional economy in the country. Central Visayas is composed of Cebu, Bohol, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor. Cebu is the center of the economic activities in the Visayas and Mindanao areas. It is the second largest central urban economic in the country. Cebu offers a wide range of class amenities such as luxury hotels, beach resorts, first-class restaurant, and golf courses. There are some recognized indigenous communities in Cebu like the Bajau and the Ati, but there are indigenous people living in Cebu but not as community like those that belongs to tribes like Higaonon, Manobo, Mansaka, Mangyan, Blaan, Maranao, Tausog, and Sama.
So now let's have the Bohol. So the province of Bohol is a first-class province divided into 3 congressional districts comprising 1 component city and 47 municipalities. It has 1,109 barangays. The city of Tagbilaran is the main business capital and the center of governance of the province. In Bohol, the Iskaya, less commonly known as the Visayan Iskaya, is the collective name for the members of a cultural minority found in Bohol, Philippines, which is distinguished by its cultural heritage, particularly its literature, language, dress, and religious observances. So next is the Negros Oriental. Negros Oriental has a land area of 5,385.53 square kilometers or 2,079.36 square miles. The province is subdivided into 20 municipalities and 5 cities, which are further subdivided into 557 barangays. Dumaguete City is the provincial capital and seat of government in Negros Oriental. The Negrenses are the native cultural group of the Philippine provinces of Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor. So now let's move on to the municipality of Siquijor. So the Siquijor has a land area of 90.70 square kilometers or 35.2 square miles, which constitutes 26.87% of Siquijor's total area. Siquijor has 42 barangays. And in the province of Siquijor, trade development is distinctly dominated by small and micro traders. Trading constitutes the backbone of the commercial activities. Siquijor was first called Siquijod, a name believed to come from its early leader Dato Quixod. Spanish settlers later changed the name to Siquijor. The people of the island are called Siquijodnon, and they, like their island, have often been misunderstood by others. Many stories claim that Siquijor is home to magic and strange creature, but most locals describe the island as peaceful and do not support these beliefs. That brings us to the end of the discussion. Thank you for listening.